Hi, I'm Suzette, Lead Educator for Wahl Clippers South Africa. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Close Cut Pro hair clipper. If you are looking for a smooth close cut, this is the clipper for you. Wahl blades are precision ground, which means smooth cutting. The fixed fine-tooth precision blade ensures the smoothest and closest possible cut. This is a single cut clipper and is not adjustable for designed close cutting. When cutting with this, you can start at the nape and cut up to the parietal ridge and scoop out. And that is all there is to it. The close cut. Thank you for watching. See you next time.